Welcome, in front of me is a REALME P3 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into your device. So to get started, you will want to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop off the case, which I'm doing right now, and at the bottom you'll find the tray. So grab your little tool, and the insert area is right here in the corner. Push it in, meaning the pin, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to fully pull it out. Now on the tray we actually have space also for a SD card. So I'm gonna grab one. Now this is the bottom tray. You do need to kind of squeeze it in there. It is held by retention brackets. And at the top we have our SIM tray. Again, same thing, just squeeze it in there. Should be laying flush and it shouldn't be falling out if you flip it over. Then just pop it back into your phone and you're good to go. Now I do have that pin on my card, so it should show up with it. There we go. So now that it's unlocked, SIM card should be working and SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have any info. I'm not seeing anything about the SD card. Maybe in the settings. Let's see about device. Yep, there it is. So SD card is being detected as well. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.